This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Meyo. Spracious, move-in ready 4-bedroom home on the golf course waiting for you, in this gated community. Open floor plan. 42 wood cabinets, granite countertops, crown molding, no carpeting, hard surface flooring throughout. Covered screened lanai with amenities to please. House located within walking distance to swimming pool, tennis, and playground. Low HOA. Come see this home and all the community have to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Meyo at 772-236-2446.